Hello everyone, I am your Deepak. I welcome you all to your YouTube channel Excellent Academy. Our channel is the one-stop solution for all your competitive examinations. In this session, I am going to brief you, I am going to teach you how to find LCM of any numbers just in 10 seconds. So without wasting much of our time, let us go forward for this session. Now, so I am going to teach you what you mean by LCM, what do you mean by multiple, what do you mean by common multiple and least common multiple with an example. Okay, please observe here. So for your two tables I am going to write 2 1s is 2, 2 2s is 4, 2 3s is 6, okay, 2 4s is 8, 2 5s is 10, 2 6 12, then 14, and your 16, 18 and your 20. Here I am going to write 3 tables 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, okay, then 24, 27, 30. See, observe here. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 are called as multiples of your 2. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 are called as multiples of your 3. Okay, so then you got what do you mean by multiple? A multiple of a number is a number which is going to be divided by the given number completely. Okay, now 4 is a multiple of 2 and 4 is divisible by 2, correct? 3, next 6 is a multiple of your 2 because 6 is completely divisible by 2. Then 8 is a multiple of your 2. Then 10 is a multiple of your 2. Then what do you mean by a multiple? Multiple is a number which is exactly divisible by the given number. Okay, then you got what do you mean by multiple. Now what are common multiples? Now you see here, which are common multiples here? 6 is common multiple, okay, then 12 is common multiple, then your 18 is common multiple. So you got what do you mean by common multiples now? See, these are the common multiples. Among the common multiples, which is the least? 6 is the least. See, among 6, 12 and 18, which is the least? 6, that is 6, that is called as least common multiple. The common, among the common multiple, which is the least, is called as least common multiple or also called as LCM in short. So hope you understood what do you mean by multiple, what do you mean by common multiple and what is least common multiple. So now with this I am going to start explaining how to find out LCM very quickly in less than 10 seconds. Okay, please observe now. The first problem you see. See, I want to find out the LCM of 6, 12, 24 and 48. Now what to do? Among all this, which is the highest number? 48 is the highest number, correct? Now you check whether remaining numbers is going to divide it completely. From 6 I can divide it, from 12 I can divide it, from 24 I can divide it. Okay, therefore LCM is 48. LCM is 48. The first step is you need to find out which is the biggest number among the given numbers, and you have to check out whether the remaining numbers is going to divide it completely. Yes, 6 I can divide 48 from, okay, 12 is going to divide 48 and 24 is going to divide 48. Therefore LCM is what? 48. Now here you observe now. So in the second problem I am finding LCM of 5, 15, 20 and 30. So the biggest number is 30. Okay, biggest number is 30. 5 can divide your 30. Okay, 15 can divide your 30. But 20 will not divide your 30, right? So what you need to do now? So you have to tell the multiple of 30. 32 times is what? 60. Whether 20 can divide your 60? Yes, it can divide. Therefore, your answer, that is LCM, is what? 60. Okay, just very simple. So among your 20 and 30, 20 will not divide your 30. So I took the multiple of 30. 32 is what? 60. 23 times is 60. Therefore, my answer is 60. Now, similarly, the next problem. I want to find out LCM of 7, 14 and 13. The biggest number is 14 here. 7 is going to divide your 14. Therefore, I will ignore. Now, 13. Now, please observe here. 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. Whenever you have a prime number with another number, the LCM is just their product. just their product. So please here. So the biggest number among your 7, 14 and 13 is 14, right? So among these, which is the biggest number? 14. Now, but 13 is what? 13 is a prime number. So now, see 7 is divisible. Okay, 7 I can divide 14. From 7 I can divide your 14. Then left out is what? 13. 13 is a prime number. Therefore, whenever you have a prime number, the LCM is just their product. What is 14 into 13? So that will be 2. The answer is 182. Answer is 182. Now, next question. Please observe here. Now, among all the given numbers, which is the highest number? 24. Now, whether 4 is going to divide your 24? Yes. Well, if it is divisible, okay, from 4, you ignore 4. Okay, then from 12. Whether I can divide? Yes, I can 12 2 times. Therefore, ignore your 12 also. Now you see, there is 17. So I came to know that 17 is a prime number. Okay, if it is a prime number, definitely what is your LCM? 24 into 17. 24 into 17. How many times you will go and check out? How many times you can multiply? 4. 4. The answer is 408. Answer is 408. Hope you have understood with this example. Okay, I will go for next set of examples. Next, I want to find out LCM of your 7 and 10. I want to find out LCM of 7 and 10. Now please observe here. See, these two are co-prime numbers. What are these two? Co-prime numbers. In my first chapter, I have already explained you what you mean by co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Whose HCF between them is 1. If you find out their HCF of these two, that is 1. Correct? So if the HCF of two numbers is 1, then such numbers are called as co-prime numbers. The LCM of co-prime numbers is just their product. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product, that is 17. The LCM of co-prime numbers is nothing but their product. Now, I will go for the next question. I want to find out LCM of 5, 9 and 17. 5, 9 and 17. Now, please observe here. Which is the biggest number among these? 17. Okay. Now, see, 5 is a prime number. Okay. Now, 5 is not going to divide your 17. 17 is also a prime number. Okay. So, if you have prime numbers and any other number, their product, I told you, what is that? Multiplication. That is product. 5 into 9 into 17. If you have prime numbers and any other number, the LCM is just their product. Okay. So, 5 9 is what? 45. 45 into 17. I need to find out. So, that will be what? Yeah, 765. 45 into 7 times is 765. Now, here you observe now. Definitely what is 11? 11 is a prime number. Therefore, what is your LCM? 14 into 11. So, that will be 154. Hope you have understood with this example also. Okay, now, the next number. 3, I need to find out LCM of 3, 10 and 15. Now, you observe. Which is the biggest number among these? 15, right? Now, check out whether from 3 I can divide your 15. Yes, I can divide. Therefore, ignore 3. Okay, now, from 10 whether you can divide? No, I cannot divide. Then what is a multiple of 15? 15. 2 times is 30. From 10 whether you can divide? Yes, therefore, LCM is what? 30. LCM is 30. See how quickly and accurately, that too in less than 10 seconds, I am finding my LCM. Okay. Hope you have understood up to this. I will go further. Few more problems. Now, I need to find out LCM of 7, 9, 13 and 18. 7, 9, 13 and 18. Now, among this, which is the biggest number? 18 is the biggest number. From 7 you can divide? No, but 7 is a prime number. If you have prime number, LCM definitely have that prime number. Okay, now, from 9 whether you can divide 18? Yes. If you can divide, you ignore that. Okay, when you are able to do, you just ignore that. Then, from 13 whether you can divide your 18? No, therefore this is a prime number. Write 13 now. Now, the remaining is what? 18. Okay, into 18 now. So what is your LCM? 7 into 13 into 18. 7 that is what? 91 into 18. 91 into 18. Now, so this is why I want to find out this answer. Just I am applying Vedic mathematics, I am finding this. So answer is 1638. 1638. Observe one more time. Please observe here. Now, here which is the biggest number? 18 is the biggest number. Whether your 7 will divide, no, this is a prime number. So LCM definitely has that prime number in the product. 9 2 times is 18. So if it is divisible, I can ignore that. 13 is a prime number. Okay, then 7 and 13 are prime numbers. So for two prime numbers, if you have another any number, what is the LCM? LCM is their products, right? But don't consider 9 here because 18 I can divide from 9. So what is your LCM answer? 7 into 13 into 18. So what I got that answer as? Should be 91 into 18. So I will apply Vedic mathematics to find out the answer. So please follow my Vedic mathematics course so that you can do multiplications very quickly. Now, the next example I am going to take. So I need to find out LCM of your 46 and 34. I need to find out the LCM of 46 and 34. So what I will do now? So please observe here what I can take common among these two. I can take 2 common, right? Okay then. 2 2s 4, 2 3 6. Here, comma. 2 1s 2, then 2 7s is 14. Now, within the bracket, what are the numbers I am having? So in the bracket, I am having 23 and 17. 23 and 17. Both are what? Prime numbers. If you have prime numbers, I told you what is their LCM? Just their product. 23 into 17. Okay, so apply Vedic mathematics to find out this. Okay, so within the bracket 391. Okay, but I take common 2, right? So you just multiply this. So answer is what? 782. That will be your LCM. I need to find out the LCM of your 763. I need to find out LCM of 763. See, please observe here. Through observation, I came to know that, okay, 63 is nothing but what? 7 into 9. Ignore for 100 for time being. Because I came to know that from 7 and 63, from 7 I can divide 63. So among your 7 and 63, which is the biggest number? 63 is the biggest number among 7 and 63. Therefore, LCM of 7 and 63 is 63, correct? Okay, from 7 I can divide your 63, therefore ignore 7. Now, for your 100 and 63, which is the biggest number? 100, right? Okay, whether you can divide your 100 from 63? No. Okay, so from which number you can divide your multiples of that is what? 6300 I can divide from 63. Therefore, what is your LCM? 6300. Very simple. Okay, through observation I did. Okay, one more time I will explain this. Please observe here. So, through observation I came to know that from 7 I can divide by 63. Ignore 100 for time being. 7 9 is 63. It is divisible by 7. Therefore, ignore 7. What is the LCM of 7 and 63? 63. Now, for these two numbers, you consider at least 1 now. 100, instead of 100 I consider 1. 1 and 63, what is your LCM? 63. Therefore, I ignore 209. You can put it here. The LCM for this problem is 6300, that is 6300. Now, one more problem. I need to find out the LCM of your 73 and 144. Okay. Now, through observation, I came to know that 73 is a prime number. When you have a prime number, what is your LCM? That is their product into 73. Apply Vedic mathematics now. So, those who know Vedic mathematics, you apply Vedic mathematics and do. Those who don't know, so you have to struggle. Okay. That's why I covered Vedic mathematics in the beginning itself. Those who have not still gone through my Vedic mathematics, please feel free to message me. I will share all the videos of my Vedic mathematics. My WhatsApp number 9742331968. So through this I will share you the videos of Vedic mathematics. Now please observe here. Through our Vedic mathematics I will multiply this now. The answer for this question is 10512. 10512. That is how you can find the LCM of any numbers in less than 10 seconds. In less than 10 seconds. Okay. With this, I am ending this session. Hope you have followed. If you have not followed, please feel free to ask me. My WhatsApp number I am writing here. My WhatsApp number 9742 331968. 9742 331968. If you have not still subscribed my channel, subscribe right now. Don't forget to click on the bell button for the updates. If you like my videos, like them and share them.